tip with home cooking is for the birds. Let's just jump right into this. Recently, I was given some blackberries and blueberries, but not enough of each to make a cobbler, so I just combined them. So I have got 4 cups of fruit here, so 2 cups of blueberries and 2 cups of blackberries. Let's add a half a cup of granulated sugar and a half a cup of packed brown sugar to this. A little lemon juice, and we're going to mix this together and we're going to set it aside and mix it really well, and it will make its own juice. Now, to another bowl, we are going to add 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of flour and 2 cups of milk. And yes, I know this is a lot of sugar, but y'all, this was so good. And it isn't every day that someone gives you fresh blackberries and blueberries. Thank you, Susie. Let's give this a really good mix. You could break out your mixer if you wanted to on this, but I just always do it by hand. And this is the way my mama always made a cobbler. This is called a lazy cobbler. Now, you will preheat your oven to 350 degrees and put a stick of butter in there and let that be melting while you mix all your ingredients together, which I had done. And now we're going to pour those blackberries and blueberries into the 9x13, and you can see that they made their own juice. Then we're just going to pour that batter that we mixed up right on top, making sure to get in all the corners. Our oven is set at 350 degrees. Let's set that timer for 45 minutes. Voila, 45 minutes later, this is ready to be served. And y'all don't forget that ice cream. This was absolutely delicious.